Hello students, I am here to explain a new chapter in plus one standard, that unit 1, that is physical world and measurement. So let me start. Who's decide the units? Actually basically I am going to start system of units. So the question arises, who starts or who decide a system of units? So it is a association, you can say CGPM, right? So it means General Conference of Weights and Measurement. This association decide the system of units. Basically the quantities are divided into two categories. Quantities, rather physical quantities. One is fundamental units quantities, you can say, or derived quantity or units. So fundamental units are basic units or basic quantities are mass, length and time. And derived units or derived quantities which are derived from the fundamental or basic units or quantities. So that is derived units or quantities. So you see, I have volume. Volume means length cube L into L into L, or length is to be measured in meter, so that means it is m meter cube. So since this is derived from meter, meter is a basic unit of length. Similarly, suppose I have density. Density means mass upon volume, and mass is to be measured in kilogram and volume is to be measured in meter cube. So it is derived from two quantities, that is mass is a fundamental unit or quantity, and volume, which is again derived from basic unit, that is length. So this is kilogram meter cube. So basically system of units is of three types. One is CGS systems, and second one is MKS system, then FPS system. CGS means C stands for centimeter, C stands for centimeter, and G stands for gram, and S stands for second. Similarly, next we have MKS system. M means meter, K stands for kilogram, right? And students, S stands for second, which is a unit of time. Next one we have FPS system. F stands for foot, and you know foot is a length, right? And P means pound. Pound is a unit of, you see, mass. And then S stands for second, right? And from here you can see easily these all are represented by fundamental units like mass, length and time. So that is why these are fundamental quantities. Next is SI system of unit, that is International System of Units. It is its full form. So basically SI system is comprises of 7 fundamental units and 2 supplementary units. So 7 fundamental units are length, mass, number 1 length, then number 2 mass, 3 time, 4 electric current, and 5 temperature, 6 luminous intensity, and 7th is amount of substance. So length is to be measured in meter, this is SI unit. Length having kilogram unit, and time to be measured in seconds. And electric current means, actually you have studied in 10th standard, electric current is a rate of flow of charges or flow of electrons. So that means it depends on charge and time. So it is having a unit ampere, right? Then temperature means it is the hotness or coldness of the body. So this is temperature, and it is having Kelvin. So you know it is having also other unit like Celsius and Fahrenheit also. So basically SI unit is Kelvin. So next is luminous intensity. I think this is a new term for you people. So students, luminous intensity means, suppose I am taking any example. So one bulb is glowing or tube light is glowing. So if we are near to the tube light or bulb, we can see maximum reflection of light, and we can easily read or write anything. So if we move away from the source of light, that is from tube light or bulb or any other source, so its intensity of reflection slow down, or you can you can say it is having low intensity. So this term is luminous intensity and its unit is candela and short form CD, right? And next we have amount of substance. So this is to be measured in mole, quantity of substance. This is to be measured, or it is having SI unit is mole. So next we have two supplementary units, which are, I am erasing this. One is our plane angle and second one is solid angle. Solid angle. So you know, this is 2D, two-dimensional figure. So suppose I am having this type of, this angle is your plane angle, right? And this angle, solid angle, is 3D. So suppose I am having any circular or three-dimensional figure. So if I cut it more time, so it will give us like this part. So the angle made by this is solid angle and its unit is steradian, and this is having radian. And student, this is all about the system of units. So next we will discuss advantages of SI units. So let us discuss advantages of SI units. Let us have a look on advantages of SI units. So SI unit is a coherent system of unit. Second is rational system of unit, and third one is metric system of units, and fourth one is SI is the modernized or improved form of MKS units. So coherent system means any system of unit, and any new system is to be get by the multiplication or division of two units, basic units. So that is coherent system of units. Then rational system of unit means if suppose we are having one quantity and it is having only one unit. Suppose energy. Energy can be chemical energy, potential energy, kinetic energy, but it is having the same unit, that is joule. Similarly, work done. Work done is also having a unit of kilogram. So metric system of unit means SI units can be raised in the power of 10. So this is metric system of units, and SI is a modernized or improved form of MKS system. So these are brief advantages or applications of SI system of unit. So that is all. Rest of the part, that is dimensional analysis, we will do in the next video. Till then, goodbye.